Hey guys, are you want to buy best computer sound card? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best computer sound card that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Creative FX V2. Computer sound card. The Sound Blaster Audigy FX V2 is a powerful upgrade for your PC audio, delivering high-resolution 24-bit 192 kHz playback with 120 decibels DNR for crystal clear sound with 5.1 surround. Support both discrete and virtual. You'll experience immersive audio whether using speakers or headphones. It features a built-in headphone amplifier that supports up to 600 OEM's studio-grade headphones and software enhancements via the Creative app, including customizable EQ and Scout mode for gamers. The SmartComms kit simplifies communication with voice-detect auto-muting and background noise cancellation. Its compact half-height design fits most PC cases and supports both headset and speaker outputs. For even more power, an optional daughter board adds DSD to 5.6 playback and 7.1 surround with optical out. Whether for music, movies, gaming, or calls, the Audigy FX V2 offers a complete high-performance sound solution with hardware and software synergy. Now our second product is Creative Z. Say internal sound card, the Sound Blaster. Audigy FX V2 is a compact yet powerful sound card that brings high-resolution 24-bit 192 kHz audio and 120 decibels DNR clarity to your PC, with 5.1 discrete and virtual surround sound. It enhances immersion for movies, music, and gaming. It features a built-in headphone amp capable of driving 600 ohms studio-grade headphones, and audio customization via the Creative app, including EQ presets and Scout mode for gamers. The SmartComms kit simplifies online calls with features like voice detect and noise clean for clearer communication. Its half-height design fits most setups and includes both headset and speaker support. For advanced users, an optional daughter board sold separately adds DSD to 5.6 playback, optical out, and 7.1 surround support. Whether you're upgrading from onboard audio or building a media powerhouse, the Audigy FX V2 delivers impressive performance in a sleek, space-saving design. Our third product is Creative AE7 Hi-Res Internal Sound Card. The Sound delivers pristine high-resolution audio with 127 decibels DNR and 32-bit 384 kHz playback via the ESS Sabre class 9018 DAC, perfect for audiophiles seeking ultra-clean sound. It supports DSD6 for playback and features a custom ZAMP discrete headphone by MP, powering each ear cup individually with just 1 ohm output impedance, capable of driving studio-grade headphones up to 600 ohms. The included audio control module offers convenient access to volume 1/4 and 1/8 mic and headphone jacks. Enjoy immersive audio with discrete 5.1 surround via Dolby Digital Live DTS Connect and virtual 7.1 surround through Sound Blasters. Surround virtualization. With a dedicated quad-core processor, the AE7 offloads audio processing from your CPU, ensuring smooth, high-performance audio without system strain. Whether you're gaming, producing, or simply listening, the AE7 is a premium sound card built for true audio enthusiasts. Now number 4. AES's Computer Sound Card, the PCI Express Sound Card, featuring the CH Media 6632AE audio processor, offers a solid audio upgrade for users seeking clearer and more immersive sound. With a signal-to-noise ratio of 110 decibels. It delivers clean and distortion-free audio, enhancing your overall listening experience for music, movies, and games. The C-Media 6632AE Processor ensures stable performance and reliable compatibility across a wide range of systems. Designed with a PCIe interface, installation is straightforward, making it a convenient solution for desktops needing an audio boost. Whether you're upgrading from basic onboard sound or building a new PC, this sound card provides an affordable and effective step-up in audio quality, ideal for casual users and budget-conscious builders alike. It balances performance and value, while significantly improving sound clarity and detail. And our last choice is GodShark Computer Sound Card. This PCIe 5.1 stereo sound card is a great choice for upgrading your desktop PC's audio. It transforms your system into a cinematic entertainment hub with immersive 5.1 3D surround sound. Ideal for movies, music, and gaming. Equipped with a 16-bit digital signal decoder, supports 3264-bit audio processing for high-quality playback and recording. The card also supports direct sound, a 3D EAX, and HRTF 3D audio technologies, enhancing realism in games and media. It includes a low-profile bracket, making it suitable for compact 2U cases. Compatible with Windows 2000, NT, XP, 7, and 8. It does not support Windows 10. Whether you're building a retro system or upgrading an older PC, this sound card provides rich audio at a great value, perfect for users looking to boost their desktop sound without breaking the bank. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.